More and more people are turning to calorie restriction for health reasons. Scientific studies in laboratory animals have shown repeatedly that restriction of daily calories by 20% or more can produce significant health benefits, including the extension of lifespan. In humans, calorie restriction of 12 to 25% has also been shown to decrease the development of age related illnesses, including metabolic syndrome and heart disease. This translates to healthful aging or the extension of the portion of life that is disease free, which we also call the health span. Calorie reduction diets are believed to slow down the aging process and are central to weight loss. By restricting the number of calories we consume on a daily basis, we are able to establish a negative energy balance that results in the body utilizing excess energy stored as fat for our daily requirements. In order to lose weight, therefore, we need to ensure that we're consuming less calories than we are expending during our daily activities. Research protocols often use 10 to 20%, that it is always best to consult your doctor to get an accurate amount by which you should restrict your calories. An average sized, moderately active woman would consume about 1,600 to 2,400 calories per day, and similar men consume about 2,000 to 3,200 calories per day. If we wanted to lose weight, a safe regimen would aim to lose weight by about 1 pound per week. This, on average, would require a 500 calorie per day deficit. So instead of consuming 2,400 calories daily, a woman would cut her calories to about 1,900 calories per day, and an average sized, moderately active man would cut his calories to 2,700 calories per day. How much calorie restriction is too much? Like everything else, we want to proceed with moderation. An overly aggressive calorie restricted diet for weight loss can cause dizziness, slowing of the metabolism, heart disease, muscle loss, hypoglycemia, and nutrient deficiencies, as well as lack of concentration. So if you're getting too close to say 100, 1200 calories, you're probably overdoing it. But how might calorie restriction diets for longevity work? And how might they decrease the rate of aging? The mechanisms underlying these effects are still under investigation, but there are indications that decreased calorie intake sends signals to various systems in the body that slow down the aging process. These include sirtuin molecules, insulin like growth factor, insulin itself, and mTOR. These molecules stimulate various systems that result in increased breakdown of fat, better functioning of the mitochondria in the cells, causing more efficient energy production, increased clearing of dead cells and cellular debris, and genetic changes that cause the genetic programming of cells to change, extending the life of the cell. This is represented by the maintenance of the length of telomeres in cells. While calorie restriction has been proven to extend longevity in animal models, it is still under investigation in humans. And we will only know if and how energy restriction prolongs life when we have uncovered the exact physiology involved. Suffice it to say, weight loss through calorie restriction is beneficial to health and can extend health span in humans. A low calorie diet can reduce the risk of metabolic diseases such as metabolic syndrome, type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, heart disease, and may extend lifespan. Many people are decreasing the number of calories they consume by counting the calories they ingest daily, and benefits can be derived even when there's no obvious weight loss. There are calorie counting apps that are available to assist you in this process. While calorie restriction appears promising for promoting healthy aging, it is best to engage in calorie restricting dieting with nutritional guidance to avoid nutrient deficiencies. Even without dramatic calorie cuts, improving diet quality and moderating intake can help prevent metabolic diseases and promote longevity. If you found this video useful, like and share the video with your friends and family. You can support the channel by subscribing. Until the next video, stay healthy and stay safe.